Zed, how was this coaching session with Shabir?
Mm-hmm.
How was it?
It was something new.
Something new. Was it
Okay.
amazing?
Yeah, it was really amazing. And
Amazing. Okay, what three
apart,
things? What
okay.
three things did you learn from this session?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Three
Does
things.
it? Mhm.
Okay. The number one thing is the uh, income streams that you showed, the multiple income streams. Okay.
Mhm.
Then the customer, this one, Italian and the Chinese comparison. And the third one was like the whole setup what you have,
Mhm. And the whole
the whole
complete
setup in the whole setup what you have, the infrastructure what it requires to have a successful digital marketing
need
career.
to build a
Mm.
solid
Solid
virtual
elephant like
infrastructure to make
mhm.
money, right?
Yeah.
When you have this infrastructure, customers come to you. See,
Yeah.
if you're doing a business where you have to
Hmm.
struggle for customers, you
Mm.
are not into a business.
Yeah.
If customers find you from nowhere, that is what
Mm.
is a business, right?
Mhm. Yeah, exactly.
So thank you for giving me this feedback.